Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Google Drive shared link not opening or loading files. First of all, you'll have to ensure the link owner set the correct sharing permissions, viewer/editor. Then open link in Safari or the Drive app and sign in if prompted. Next, we are going to ask the owner to resend the link or change permissions to anyone with the link. Safety tip: only open shared links from people you trust to avoid malware or phishing. Quick fix: copy the link and reopen it in incognito or private browser window to rule out cache issues, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials. See you guys in the next video.